Back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today we are going to be stringing up and pruning our tomatoes. I'm stringing up the tomatoes to my gazebo, and these grow bags, as you can see here, so spot down. These grow bags have a handle in the front and in the back. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to, without damaging my tomatoes, hopefully, is I'm going to come through this handle on this one, and then I'm going to go through this handle on this one. That way each string will have one string going up. Very gently pull like this. And look how mature Dexter is. Last year's video, he was attacking the string the entire time. What a good boy. Alright, I'm just making sure it's back behind. And lower branches right on out. Okay, and now it's secured into those. I'm going to do that the whole way down. See how far the string is going to take it. Is I'm going to come in, and normally I just take off any leaves that are below the top level of the deck here. And what that does is it just really allows for airflow, and I don't have to worry about any splashing. Okay, so we're going to take these off, and then any of the suckers are going to just get pinched out. So suckers are plants that grow. See, now this looks like it's just splitting, so I'm going to leave those both alone. It's kind of weird. I had a few do that last year. But any of the ones that are growing like in the crotch point of the tomato. So this one's done. So then what we do is we just twist it around the rope, okay? And every week I'm gonna come out, and depending on how fast they grow, sometimes a couple times a week I'll have to come. And I just twist them onto the string like that. And I'll have to pull it and get more support before I do the final tie up. Okay, so this one we're coming in again, and we're going to pull off all of these little ones down here. Now all of these, especially these tiny little ones like this, any of the suckers, you can easily root those too if you want, if you need more tomato plants, which I do know. I don't know what happened to this parsley. I think somebody was peeing on it, but I don't know for sure. I can't guarantee it. Sorry about that. Oh, sorry. Okay, so come up here and look real quick up here. So we got this little tiny one in the crotch area here. We're gonna pinch that right out. We're gonna pinch this one right out. Okay, this one here is a lot bigger. Now this would make a great sucker. If you don't have sharp fingernails, I recommend using a pruner, but if you do, you can just pinch it off like that. And now look at, we got this weird thing going on here with the stem splitting. You see that? It's happening again on this one. I don't know what is going on, so.
It's a double stem.
Yeah, so this is coming out because I just staked it up when we got all that rain. It kind of was, they were falling over a bit. And then I gotta make sure this is nice and taut. There we go. I don't need it in here right now. Okay, and then just twisting it around this leaf. This branch is getting in the way. Oh my goodness. Get over the way. I should have done this when they were smaller. Okay. right? For some reason it reminds me of Groot. No, that's too tight on that. I don't want it to snap anything. So I'll do it like that and I'll twist it again next time. And then down here. Go. And I'm gonna do that for the rest of them, and then I will come back and show you, see how they're all starting to fall. They need the support, but some of them are really getting chock full of tomatoes. And somebody, hi, how are you? You like the smell of tomatoes? My hands smell good? Yeah, they smell yummy. All right, so this is my assignment for the rest of the afternoon. See you back in a few minutes. You ready to show them all the hard work you just did? Yeah? Here we go. I think they look pretty good. Look how tall they are. They're almost to the railing, Dex. They're getting up there. Another week or two, they'll be hitting that railing for sure. So you can see each one has its own string, and I mean, it's secure, but it's not like, I mean, there's room for movement and play. They're not going to snap on here. We got some blooms coming. So, and they're all twisted on and they're all nicely pruned up as well. So we have the orange, pineapple. These are all indeterminates. So I have orange, pineapple, chocolate, cherry, white. This one got knocked over. Lemon, 2 lemons. What does that say? Blue, orange, 2 oranges, and the mystery one on the end. And I cannot remember what options I have for that. So I had another really nice big bloom on one of these too. Where was that? Sorry, Dex. Oh, here it is on the orange. Look at the size of that bloom. That's going to tell you something about the tomato coming. So we've been out here. They get a lot of movement from the wind, but I do just kind of, as I walk by, I'll just tap the strings, kind of give everything a little jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Look at that. Like, what in the heck? That's just like a mass of buds in there or whatever. So yeah, they're doing good. Right, Dex? Hi. You love the tomatoes? Are you excited about some tomatoes soon? Yeah? So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, it smells so good. Smell good? You like sniffing the tomatoes? Oh, you're so tired. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Oh, you're so sleepy. You can hardly keep your eyes open.